Welcome to my channel. Today we will work on this foundation seal whip screed. The way we install this one is this is up to there is 3.5 openings, so this should be lower half inch to the seal, to that plywood. So we measure 3 inch from the bottom of the plywood or the seal up to there, and then we snap a chalk line, and then that's the top of this metal. Whether you have inspection or not, you have to do it like that, at least half inch lower on the plywood or on the seal, so the water will not will not penetrate on the wood. So especially this one, my project is inspection, that's a permit, so you have to do that. Okay, that's the way you install a foundation seal whip screed. You have to miter inside. Some people they don't want to miter, they just overlap it, but miter on that thing there in bottom part and overlap on this the top one, and at least 3 inches overlap on the side there. You don't need to put a lot of nail, because once you put the stucco wire, every 6 inches you have to nail that. So and then on the outside corner you have to miter it also like that. You have to miter it like that also. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.